All right, just to show you the neighborhood a little bit. Tile roofs, nice garage doors, some stone front, paver driveways. All the landscaping's done for you. This is the property, 2-car garage. It's a nice little walkway here. This is a 2-story. We do have a bedroom down. This is a good size place. Laminate flooring. This is a bigger kitchen for sure. Some nice finishes, as you can see. Soft close cabinets, tile backsplash. Little pantry or closet. Let me show you the garage. This garage is a little bit dirty because this is the model, but it will show you that it has carpet, garage carpet. The garage walls are finished. They are not just concrete block. It does have an actual insulated garage door. And there's no garage door opener up here. It's actually there. So it runs the actual spring there. So you don't have the garage door opener hanging down. Washer and dryer goes right here. We have a half bath. Really nice. There's the stairs to go upstairs. Pantry or storage underneath the stairs. It's a good sized place. It does have the nice sliders. Good quality. They come screened in. They have a big covered lanai here. This is one of the ones that are on the golf course. So you get that nice golf course view. These homes are stucco on the outside. Even the shutters, they're like a stucco. As you can see, definitely a good size. Master bedroom. It's a king size bed. You got plenty of room around it. And in front of it. Closets are done like this. That's the walk-in closet. This closet here is just like a regular narrow closet. Baths are done very nicely. Walk-in shower, good size. All right, I'm at the top of the stairs, and to the right, you have this little setting area. This could be anything. This could be an office. This could be TV room. Could be whatever. It does have a wet bar here, which is very nice. The AC unit is right through that door. You do have a balcony on the 2 stories. It's a good sized balcony for sure. And you can check out the golf course from here. The balconies are pavered also. It's a big room. The other bedroom, that is a queen size bed. Plenty of room around it. Plantation shutters through the entire home. And back up here. Carpet up here. In the wet areas, we go back to the vinyl. Nice walk-in closet. Another closet here. This basically could be a second primary or master. Good size. It's pretty close to the same size as the one downstairs, maybe a little bit smaller. But this area, somebody could be downstairs for sure, which is nice. And you can have an entire area up here to yourself. Laundry up here also. So there is one in the garage, and then there's one up here. This can be a bedroom also. Queen size bed would fit in there pretty easily. And then again, guest bath. Really nice. All in all, a super nice place. Good space.